Hi everyone, my name is Rory McDonald and I'm responsible for the Forage Value Index project that is updated annually by Dairy Australia to assist farmers and producers make more informed ryegrass cultivar choices. The FEI has been available since 2017 and since its initial release has been regularly updated and expanded to incorporate new forage varieties and indeed new ryegrass species. The Forage Value Index Futures project aims to improve the accuracy and efficiency of pasture variety evaluation by using innovative technologies to provide faster and better estimates for farmers and service providers of the value of existing and new cultivars across a number of different pasture species. A successful FVI will guide farmers to choose the right pasture varieties, including new cultivars, mitigating risks and maximising pasture quality and quantity to ultimately improve farm profitability. These improved outcomes are designed to help inform decision-making for Australian dairy farmers, as well as developing the roadmap for routine updates of the FEI each year. Providing more information for farmers to make more confident choices in their varietal selection decisions for their own farms translates to higher pasture yields of better nutritive value and persistence on farms. The difference in estimated profitability between the top and bottom perennial ryegrass varieties in the FEI, for example, is in the range of $200 to $250 per hectare per year. So the benefit to farmers is significant if the correct choice of variety is made. The existing FEI is updated using replicated plot trials, mainly from the Pasture Trial Network, which is a collaboration involving seed companies, the Australian Seed Federation, Dairy Australia and Meat and Livestock Australia. The FEI Futures programme aims to capitalise on technological advances in remote sensor technology to allow us to measure those key traits such as dry matter yield, nutritive value and persistence from cultivars at a faster and cheaper rate than traditional methods, but with an equally good level of accuracy as those traditional methods. A secondary aspect of the programme is to continue the development and expansion of the economic value component of the existing FEI into new regions around Australia, hence making the FEI more widely available to a larger number of farmers nationally. We have piloted new technologies for data collection across dozens of commercial ryegrass cultivars. Our first achievement was a successful engagement with commercial partners to transition the routine yearly updates of the FEI to industry groups with a number of different organisations now collaborating together to ensure the FEI is updated each year. These include Agriculture Victoria, Dairy Australia, Datagene, MLA via their involvement in the Pasture Trial Network, and the vast majority of commercial seed companies. For our second achievement, economic protocols to estimate the value of dry matter yield, metabolizable energy and persistence in each FEI region were created. This is a generalized method that is scalable for different species, traits and regions. This new approach to economic values allows us to get a better handle on the changing value of pasture across the full year in a region and improves the predicted economic differences in the FEI between cultivars of ryegrass. In 2022, economic values were generated by the team for two new regions, the mid-north coast of New South Wales and the south coast of New South Wales. This expands the total number of regions in the FEI from 4 to 6 and makes the tool more applicable and relevant to farmers in these new regions. For our third achievement, protocols have been developed for digital measurement of dry matter yield, metabolizable energy and persistence at an individual plot level. The success of this technology has the potential to supercharge the speed and accuracy of cultivar evaluation in Australia when it is adopted by the seed industry. This will have the benefit of getting information on superior pasture genetics in the hands of producers and advisors in a much quicker manner, which will improve profitability in the long run. We will continue to refine and expand the economic values used in the FEI so that more dairy farmers in Australia can have access to localised information for their region, and we will expand the datasets generated using remote sensors for nutritive value and persistence of cultivars with a view to eventually incorporating this important information in the Forage Value Index. The FEI tool and information can be found on dairyaustralia.com.au/FEI. If you are interested in finding out more about the Forage Value Index project or other feed-based research projects and how you can implement them within your farm business, I encourage you to visit the DairyFeedbase.com.au website or get in touch with your local regional development team at Dairy Australia.